Today I want to talk to you about our red whole house chlorine and chemicals removal system. Who is this system for? This system is for anybody who is on mains water and has chemicals in the water, and most notably is going to be the chlorine. This is a water filter that goes at the mains rising into your home and filters the water for all around your house. So if you're going to be brushing your teeth, if you're in the shower, or if you're washing vegetables using your cold tap at your kitchen sink. As you can see, this system is a nice compact system that goes nice and neat, mainly in underneath your sink. So the water coming in to your home will go through this system and then it'll leave the system and feed the rest of your house. It also has a drain line on the system where it's connected to your drain, and every few days when a certain amount of litres goes through the system, it'll actually backwash and clean the system out. So there's a computer on the system and it tells it automatically to clean the system and to rejuvenate the carbon. That prolongs the life of the carbon and it makes sure that you're getting good clean water free of chemicals and chlorine at all times. So the media that's inside in this system is what's known as KDF carbon. So it's a high grade carbon and it's very, very effective at removing chlorine and other chemicals and some heavy metals. We would recommend that you change the filter media once a year to give you the best results. So the installation of this system, it's all included in the price. The price you see on the website includes us to come anywhere in the country and install it for you. It'll take roughly around 2 to 2.5 hours to do the install, and it'll go nice and neatly. Usually, in most cases, it's going to go right underneath your sink where the water rises coming into your home. So just to let you know, this system is a whole house filtration system for removing chlorine and some other chemicals. It's not to be compared with a reverse osmosis system for your drinking water, which will remove everything right back to pure H2O. But it is something that can be paired with a reverse osmosis system. If you have hard water, this will not soften your water. It's not a water softener, but you can use it alongside a water softener. Water softener is solely for changing hard water into soft water. If you'd like any more information on our red whole house chlorine and chemical removal system, reach out to us on our website, give us a call, whatever way you want, and we will be sure to help you out and fill you in on more details.